Welcome back, students. In this tutorial I am going to teach you click method. So click is the web element method which is used to click on any web element. So take a scenario. So see, this is the Gmail login page. So forgot an email, this is also one web element. Learn more, this is web element. Create account, this is also one web element. And next, this button also one web element. So by using click method you can click on this web element. So how to do? So see here, I'm going to write down one program. So before that I will create one class. I will give the name click, then create main method, then set the system variable path, web driver equals to new Chrome driver dot get http / www.gmail.com. So see here, my intention is I want to click on this forgot email. Just right click, inspect element. See here, so see, this is the button. So see here, this is the button. So I'm going to create one XPath. This web element, control plus yes // star in bracket type equals to button. See, it has find out, so matching one node. Simply I can copy this one, driver dot find element by dot XPath, provide this XPath and dot click. So click is the method of web element which is used to click on the web element, and click method return type is void. See, I'm going to click, run this code. It has launched Chrome browser. And see, it has click on forget email. So it has successfully click on forget email. So take another scenario. I want to click on this learn more. How I can click? So directly driver dot find element by dot XPath. I can use link text. 1 minute. By dot link text inside learn more dot click. Dot click method. See, by this time I am using link text locator and performing the operation, click on the link. Just click on run. See, it has launched and it has click on learn more. So like this you can click on the learn more. My another intention is I want to click on this create account. So how to create? Click on this create account. So for that, inspect this element and see this is create account. Just copy this one. So this create an account having space, so which type of XPath we can use here? So this time I will use normalize space hyphen space space in bracket I can use text method opening and closing. Beside this in bracket simply give the visible text. See here one matching node is there, means it has successfully find out. So let me copy this one and just I'm going to comment this driver dot find element by dot XPath, provide the XPath, then dot click. See what will happen. Run. It has launched Gmail and see it has click on create account. So once the click on that, this will open. So like this you can use click method to click on the different web element. So in upcoming video I am going to teach you the difference between find element.
आई होप आप सभी को ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा। आपको अगर ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो हमारे चैनल को लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर ज़रूर करना। तो देखो, चैनल को लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर करने को कुछ पैसे नहीं लगते, तो थोड़ा सपोर्ट करो यार। तो मिलते हैं नए वीडियो में जल्द ही।